Look at it's bloom now. Queen of the night flower. That's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Only one. One and only one flower. This is the first time na nagbulaklak po siya. There's some ants. May langgam. Siguro matamis to. Ganda naman niya. So beautiful. See, that is Queen of the Night Flower. Nagbo-bloom siya sa gabi, hindi sa araw. Kaya tinawag na Queen of the Night. Yeah, boo.